Oh dear, oh dear.
So this is a sort of hack, and it's also a property top tip, so I might put it in both, I can't quite decide. You hear a lot about things called stud partitions, a stud partition wall, and you may wonder exactly what that is. Well, here halfway through a building that I'm renovating, I got an ideal opportunity to see what one is, and that's this. This is a stud partition wall, it's one we're building, okay? So it's what is hidden underneath or in the walls of the majority of modern houses. This is how the internal walls are built. Basically, out of wood, going from floor to ceiling, and then you put plasterboard on the faces to create, well, you know, your finished thing. So when you're thinking about why is it important to know, it's really important to know what's underneath the surface. So when you know that's what it looks like, okay, you can then think, why is it important when I'm trying to put up things like pictures or trying to put something heavy on the walls that I know where the stud is? And that is the stud. So you can buy a unit called a stud partition finder, and it will, if you've got a normal wall you can't see underneath it, it will beep almost like a metal detector to show you where this stud is, because that is where you want to be drilling in your support screws for putting up shelves and things like that. So you want to put one in there, another one in there, another one in there, and then you can have a really good support. If you're trying to drill into this bit, you're going to have to use what's called the plasterboard fixing, and they're just never as good. So that's what's underneath a stud partition wall. Now you know why it's important to find out where the studs are so you can actually fasten things into them.
Oh dear, oh dear.